Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Write the polynomial in factored form. The given polynomial is 12a square plus 20a square b. Now when we have to write in factorized form, what we have to do? We have to find factors of both numeral and literal coefficients. So let's see. 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into a square, and 20 can be written as 4 into 5 into a square b. Now when we look at these factors, we see that 4 and a square is common in both. So we take that out. We are left with 3 and 4 a square into 5b. So when we take that out common, we have 3 plus 5b remaining in the bracket. So this is the final factorized form. This is the answer.